tried quite a lot of different cements for indirect work over the years and have had some difficulties. Certain materials, if you leave them there for too long, then they're very difficult to remove. Equally, other materials, if you try and remove the cement too quickly, it can pull out from underneath the margins of the restoration.
When I was first shown the samples of Maxcem Chroma, it looked like a very exciting product.
I tested Maxcem Elite Chroma a few weeks ago and I did a full mold restoration. We cemented several crowns and several inlays of Emax. And I was surprised how fast it was to remove the excesses of the cement.
One of the main differences with Maxcem Elite Chroma is that it's got the colour change technology, so you know when to actually remove the cement.
The color indicator in Maxcem Elite Chroma makes a difference because it gives you exactly the timing when you should get rid of the excesses of cement. It's not before, it's not after that, it's exactly in that moment that you can get easily rid of the excesses of cement.
The colour change technology is fantastic because when it starts to change from a pink to a white, then you know that that's the right time to remove it. You can just test it with a probe. It's very, very easy to remove.
The cleanup is easier, the cleanup is faster.
One of the things I've been most impressed with Maxcem Elite Chroma is the fact that it really sets like rock. It's incredibly hard setting, so I'm quite certain that in preparations that have got limited resistance and retention form, it's going to really help hold the restorations in place.
The Maxcem Elite Chroma, it's a different cement. I think it's probably unique in the market because it's the only one that tells you when it's ready to clean up.
I definitely have seen an improvement in time saving.
I would say my indirect luting techniques have improved since I started using Maxcem Elite Chroma.
It's very rare that I would say I was excited about something, but this genuinely did make me feel excited because it looked so much easier to use. Would I choose it in the future? Yes.
I definitely will choose Maxcem Elite Chroma for my practice in the future.
I'm definitely going to carry on using Maxcem Elite Chroma for all of my indirect restorations from now on.
Would I suggest other people buy it? Yes.
And I definitely recommend Maxcem Elite Chroma to anybody who's doing indirect work.
I definitely would recommend Maxcem Elite Chroma to my colleagues. They should test it. One word to describe Maxcem Elite Chroma.
Predictable.
Easy.
Elite.
I don't think there is a competitor. You know, it's special.